Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to enable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Click Start menu, then click Settings, click Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings, then turn on Real-Time Protection, then turn on Cloud Delivery Protection, then turn on Automatic Sample Submission, then turn on Tamper Protection, click Back, then click Privacy Settings, click General, then turn on all options. Restart your operating system. Thanks for watching.